The following message is transmitted at the request of the South Park Police Department. At 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, an unknown person was seen roaming around the streets of South Park. This person is not identified yet, but the following characteristics are: a red and blue beanie, a red and blue baseball shirt, and wears blue pants. If you have any idea of what or who this person is, please dial September 1st, 2001 immediately. The following message is transmitted at the request of the South Park Police Department. The unknown person has been identified. The person's name is Stanley Marsh. Remember, his characteristics are a red and blue beanie, a red and blue baseball shirt, and blue pants. And Stanley Marsh has caused an explosion. Shelter in place.